This is a video that I wasn't going to do, but I've been asked several times now to explain how I get those statistics from the web onto an Excel spreadsheet. The reason why I wasn't going to do it, because my channel is not a teaching channel. It's just me trying to learn how to trade, how to gamble better. Plus, if you Google it, you'll find loads of other videos which will explain it a lot better than what I'm going to. But since I have been asked, I'm going to do it very simply. However, if you wait till the end of the video, I will show you a better video on YouTube where it does it all for you for free. You'll be able to download 50 plus leagues with all the statistics you want absolutely for free. So stick around for that. In my last video I showed you this sheet, and this is what I do to help me predict the scores over 2.5, both teams to score. And this is how I do it. First of all, obviously you'll need a blank Excel sheet. At the top of that there's a tab called data. Make sure you've got that. If not, if you just right click anywhere across the ribbon, customize the ribbon, and from there on the right hand side you should have this one ticked what says data. If it doesn't, just tick it and press OK. From there you need to know where you're going to get the information from. I'm using Footy Stats, but you can use any site you want, whichever you prefer. So from Footy Stats, what we need to do is first of all is get the league. So we're going to just do the Premier League. Once you've got that up, all you need to do is copy the address, go back to your Excel sheet, press the data. From there you want to go from on your left hand side from the web, so you just click on that. From there you just paste in what you copied, press OK. So when it comes up you'll get a list like this. What I normally do is click on the web view first, and then it'll give you your table number, which says table 25 is the Premier League table. So on this side we need 25, and then from there I just download. And there you have it, that's the table. I'm just going to rename it. I'm just going to take the 25 off. So that's the table. So what I also do, I do the home and the away. I do exactly the same thing. You go to your site. What I'm going to do is go for detailed, because this gives you your home and away tables at the top, and you do exactly the same thing. Get the address, data from the web, paste, OK. This time it hasn't got a table, but there's only two, so hopefully the first one should be home load. So I'm just going to rename that to home. And do exactly the same for the away. So that's how we get it onto the Excel sheet. Now from there you can make any calculations you want. I'll just make it look a bit bigger. What I'm going to do to begin with, I'm just going to shorten some of these. So all I've done is condense them down a little bit to make it a little bit easier for the next section. So what we need to do now is get that your master sheet. What I have to do is do a drop down list. So again, you go to the data, over to the right, you go into this symbol here, any value, click on that, you get a list, click on that, you put the source. So you just go to your table, highlight your source, which is all the football teams, and press OK. So from there you'll be able to pick a football team. What I'm going to do, I'm just going to copy it across and go down 10. So I'll just fill two of the, I put Arsenal in that one, and I'm going to make them look a bit bigger so when the team comes in. So now you'll be able to do hopefully 10 of them. So once you've got your team in, I'm just going to put a bit more clearer, away. Right, so it all depends what information you need from here. So just for this simple one, I'm just going to do 2.5 goals all over. So what I'm going to do is take that cell there, and then I'm going to put a formula in. So I'm going to just click on that. X lookup, you press OK. Lookup value, so what I'm looking up, I'm going to be looking up Chelsea, the home side, where I'm going to be looking it up. So I'm going to go to the home tab, highlight all the football teams, and what I'm going to look up is the 2.5 goals all over, which is this section here. You just highlight that section, scroll down and press OK. At the moment it's in decimals, but we'll change it to a fraction, percentage in a bit. So that's for the home side. You also then need the away side. So what we're going to do, we're just going to plus it. Again, we're going to go to X lookup, which is OK. This time we're going to pick the away side from the away tab, highlight all the teams, and then highlight the 2.5s. OK. And then what we need to do, because it's divided by 2. So there you have it. And then we are just going to change that to a percentage. And then we can just drag and copy that down. What I'm going to do is just make it a bit neater. So there's statistics for over 2.5 for these games coming up. Now obviously you can do whatever you like. You do over 1.5, you can do both teams to score, you can do anything, you can do clean sheets. Once you've put in whatever information you need, you could end up with something like this. All I've done here is I've put both teams to score for the season and over 2.5 for the season. I've also done same for the home and away for both of them. The advantage of this is once you've done this, you can put it in a table like this, and then you can just pick the highest ones and put them in order. The advantage of this is if you are doing more than one league at a time, so all the UK leagues or all the European leagues all on one spreadsheet, then obviously you'll be able to highlight the ones which are more likely to succeed or not. A channel that can explain it a lot better than I can is called Trading the Market. They've been going for roughly around about 2 years. If you get a spare 10 minutes, I suggest you'll have a look at this channel because they have got some very good information on it. But for today we're just talking about the Excel. So if you want to scroll down to these videos here, they've got a 4 video course explaining exactly what I've done, but in a lot better detail than what I have. However, if you don't want to do that, you can skip past it and go to this one here. What this one does is tells you that you can join their Discord group, download all the sheets for free, and you don't have to do any of the work. So literally 5 minutes work and you will have 50 plus leagues with all the statistics you need. I personally haven't done it yet, purely because I'm still new to this and I'm just concentrating on the UK leagues. In the future, when I get a bit more confident, I may do this. But if you do it now or have already done it, please let me know in the comments and let me know if it's worthwhile. Thanks for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.